Thank you for visiting the HID Factory, YouTubers. Today we did some LED footwells on this beautiful Audi A6 S-Line. Normally, you get LED footwells, you're thinking, 50, 60 bucks off of eBay. Yeah, they look pretty nice and subtle like this. But guys, if you're trying to take things to the next level, you got a beautiful Audi, BMW, or whatever car you have that you love, you can actually make it go a lot brighter where it actually looks like it's glowing. Let's check it out. Check it out, everybody. Beautiful. I mean, this is so bright it looks like it's edited. Looks like we put some effects on Instagram or whatever. It looks Photoshop, but guys, this is not Photoshop. This is actual real light. You can actually change the color to green or even blue. Look how beautiful that blue. I mean, it's like a real glow. Let me actually get in here and act like I'm a backseat rider. I mean, look at the front of these. Look at these footwells. I mean, you do not see nothing like this, and I guarantee you from Amazon or eBay, you can't get that. You need some real professional work done to achieve this type of brightness on a professional level. So check it out, guys. We got another special effect that we have on this. It's called cotton candy. So basically, we mix all the colors, and then it shines on the ground. It looks freaking crazy. Check it out. Not too many people offer this type of look. Check it out. Cotton candy. Looks beautiful. Something different. You can actually go to like car show mode, strobing your lights, show people the next level. Now look at that glow, y'all. Like I say, this is not edited. These aren't any effects. This is nothing but natural light coming from my iPhone. Guys, you want to take your vehicle to the next level. You don't want to cheap out and do the $50 stuff. Come call us up at the HID Factory today. Thank you and God bless.